The man who refused to stay broken. Daniel Ross had everything. A great job, a loving wife, and a future mapped out. By 32, he was the definition of success, at least on paper. But life doesn't follow blueprints. In 1 month, everything collapsed. He lost his job in a surprise layoff. His wife left, saying she needed space. Friends went quiet. And Daniel, he shut down. He stopped shaving, stopped caring. The mirror showed a stranger. He'd stare at job boards with zero energy to click apply. The man who once led boardroom meetings now couldn't lead himself out of bed. One night, walking back from a store with instant noodles, he saw a homeless man holding a sign. "Rock bottom built my foundation." Daniel froze. That sentence pierced deeper than any advice ever had. That night, he taped a note to his wall. Refused to stay broken. He began waking up early, moving his body, learning new digital skills, marketing, web design, freelancing. He took free online courses. He journaled. He read books he used to mock. Slowly, painfully, he rebuilt. He launched a blog, wrote raw truths about failure and mental health. At first, no one read them. Then one person did. Then 10. One comment read, "You gave me hope." That changed everything. He offered to help small businesses online. One client said yes. Then another. He wasn't chasing status anymore, he was chasing purpose. His work improved, so did his income, his mindset, his confidence. Daniel didn't bounce back, he built forward. Today, Daniel coaches others who feel broken. He speaks, writes, and reminds people of one truth. You're not weak because you're down. You only fail if you stay there. He never found the homeless man again, but he found himself. Subscribe the channel for informative videos. Driven Depth. Thanks for watching.